Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a deeper look at HFM, a platform that combines trading, investing, and education into one experience. If you're someone who wants flexibility and a full ecosystem instead of just a basic trading app, this one is worth paying attention to. I'll walk you through each key feature so you can really understand how it works. Let's start with markets, and this is where everything begins. HFM gives you access to a wide variety of markets, including Forex, commodities like gold and oil, global indices, and even stocks. What I like here is that you're not limited to one asset class, so you can explore different strategies depending on market conditions. This kind of variety helps you spread risk and also find more opportunities instead of relying on a single market. Next is trading, and this is the core experience of the platform. HFM supports multiple trading platforms and account types, so you can choose what fits your style best. Whether you're placing quick trades or holding positions longer, the execution feels smooth and responsive. You also get access to charts, indicators, and risk management tools, which are essential if you want to trade more seriously and not just guess. Now let's talk about investing, which is a really interesting feature for people who don't want to trade actively all the time. Instead of doing everything yourself, you can follow experienced traders or invest in strategies managed by others. It's more of a passive approach, but it still keeps you involved in the market. This is especially helpful if you're still learning or don't have time to monitor trades constantly. Moving on to tools and education, and this is where HFM adds long-term value. You're not just trading blindly, you actually get access to learning materials, market insights, and analysis tools. From beginner guides to more advanced strategies, it helps you improve step by step. I think this is important because trading without knowledge usually doesn't end well, so having education built in is a big plus. Then we have promotions, which adds an extra layer of incentive to the platform. HFM often provides bonuses, trading rewards, or special campaigns that can support your trading journey. While you shouldn't rely only on bonuses, they can still give you a bit more flexibility when starting out. It's a small feature, but it can make the overall experience more engaging. So overall, HFM is not just about trading, it's about building a full experience around financial markets. You get access to different assets, flexible trading options, learning resources, and even passive investing features. It's designed to grow with you as your skills improve. HFM Viet is a platform designed to support users in Vietnam in accessing HFM's global trading services, mainly focusing on Forex and CFD products. It acts as a gateway that helps users easily register accounts, start trading, and use essential tools in the financial markets. Essentially, it is not an independent broker, but a supporting website that connects users to HFM's ecosystem, where they can access platforms like MT4 and MT5, along with various trading and analysis tools for both beginners and experienced traders. If you're thinking about getting into trading or upgrading your current platform, this is definitely something you can try and explore for yourself. Test the features, see how it feels, and decide if it matches your style. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss more videos like this.